A hearty welcome to my channel Grow Joyfully. This is Meena here. In a series of videos, I explain how I make Panchakavya at home. There are 3 stages in making this very wholesome fertilizer Panchakavya. Hope you have seen the video which explains the first stage. In this video, I will show you the stage 2 process. First, let me address a few queries and concerns raised by some of you. When there are many recipes available in the net, why have I chosen this one? This recipe has been published by Tamil Nadu Agricultural University, where deep research has happened on Panchakavya right down to the molecular level, and all the research findings have been published. So this is my favorite choice. Of course, a lot of experts have made changes to the basic formulation, essentially for 2 reasons. One, they wanted to accelerate the process. The basic recipe calls for 33 days, but there are recipes which take only 19 days or so. And in order to reduce the foul smell, they have also added more fermenting agents. The next query that is asked is it okay to use products of Jersey cows or even buffaloes? No, it will not be effective at all. So please use the products of native Indian cows only. The potency is pretty high. The next concern is it looks like it's expensive when people read the recipe details. My response here is yes, if you buy also it's going to be more expensive. When you make at home, you have better control over the quality. You know what is going into it, and you are in charge of the process. And you can optimize the cost by buying at the right source. And the basic recipe that I'm talking about uses 10 kgs of cow dung, but you don't have to use it. You can use just 1 kg of cow dung and hence reduce all the ingredients by 1/10. The 10 kg formulation will give you approximately 45 to 50 liters of Panchakavya. When you use only 1 kg to start with, you're going to get about 4.5 to 5 liters of Panchakavya. So make only as much as you need as per your gardening requirements. For stage 2, we require 10 liters of the desi cow urine, 10 liters of water, a 55 liter drum, and stage 2 will go on for 15 days. In the first 3 days when we are mixing the cow dung and the ghee, this can be very, very smelly. It smells very strongly of cow dung. So in order to avoid objections from your family members or from your neighbors, keep in a place where it's at a maximum distance from people, or better tell them beforehand that the next 3 days it will be a little smelly. So please take care of that. After that the smell will be reduced in stage 2 and stage 3. I use 55 liter drums like this, both for the purpose of making Panchakavya and also to store the Panchakavya that is made. The expiry, the Panchakavya can be used for 6 months. So whenever I need this drum, this is what I do. I just use some water to scrap the nutrition that is present in the corners. There is no need at all to wash these drums. So, and there will be some residue, some solid residue will be there down. So all of them get mixed, and this can be used in a diluted form. This water can be used to water the plants now. It will be very nutritious for them. And then I will use the empty drum for making the next batch of Panchakavya. Panchakavya making, we have the fermented cow dung as well as the ghee, which has been mixed thoroughly thrice a day for 3 days. And we are now going to add 10 liters of Gomutra. It's almost 1-year-old Gomutra that I have, cow urine, and 10 liters of water. I use this 55 liters drum, and I also use a neem stick in order to give it a good stir. Let me first transfer the contents and then show you. Once the cow dung mixed with ghee, water and the cow urine have been added, we need to give it a nice stir. First day it will be a little lumpy, we don't have to worry. This stage 2 process goes on for the next 15 days. So the task in front of us is to do the stirring for, let's say, 50-60 times in clockwise direction thoroughly. And it is recommended that we use a neem stick for this. I have a neem tree in my OTG, so I am using that. Otherwise you can use a stick of any plant, any tree in your neighborhood. So ensure that you mix thoroughly morning and evening. It's not going to take more than 1 minute, but please do so without fail. If you forget to stir for a few days, it will start smelling very yucky and it will get spoiled. Bin from now on has to be covered with a cotton piece of cloth. I use my husband's dhoti for this. Tie it well and ensure that this is kept in shade, in a place where it's easy for you to stir every day. In the next video, I'll share the stage 3 process in the making of Panchagavya. Thank you for watching my videos. Have a great day.